This is probably the most advanced floor cleaner you'll ever see. It literally washes your floors with nearly 100 degrees Celsius water and uses AI to decide how dirty they are. Hey, I'm Martijn and I test smart, battery-powered products, and I didn't expect it to be this smart or satisfying to use. Let me show you. Let's quickly check what's in the box. As expected, you get everything you need. First, the replacement filter. Then we've got the brush, cleaning solution, spare brush roller, handle, charging dock, and of course, lastly, the main body. It's well packed and this feels and sounds always amazing. So first of all, it vacuums. Nothing wrong with that. It delivers 22,000 pascals of suction power, which is a lot for a mop vacuum. But the real game changer is the heat. It cleans your floor with 85 degrees hot water and even uses 100 degrees water to deep clean the brush roll afterward. In our kitchen we have often greasy or sticky spots on the floor, and this made a huge difference. My H15 robot cleaner touches the surface of it, but the stick cleaner takes it to a next step further with ease. There's also this robotic arm built in that adjusts itself to get right up against your baseboards. Cleaning the corners and edges became therefore so much easier, especially because it just lowers itself and gets there. This is the first time that I've experienced this myself, and yes, it works well. Interestingly, you no longer need to set the suction power yourself. It has a new sensor that detects different types of dirt and adjusts the sucking power automatically. Here, for example, I put some coffee ground on the floor, and the moment you go over it, it ramps up the power without doing anything. It doesn't only do it for dirt, but carpets as well. So as mentioned before, vacuuming was easy. But Dreame made it even easier, as you can fold it completely flat to go under your bed or couch, as long as it's higher than the thickness of the main body, which in our case still doesn't fit under the couch. My wife got pretty long hair and we've got Nyla, our family dog, every once in a while with us. So this brush has sharp scraper teeth that cut through the hairs as it vacuums. And I believe this really helps because I didn't have to pull out a single hairball yet, which is honestly amazing. When you're done, you just dock it and it starts cleaning itself with 100 degrees water. The brush roll gets disinfected and dried using AI controlled heat. And it's super quiet too, only 63 decibels. See, you can barely hear it. What I was most worried about is battery life, especially because it delivers a high suction power of 22,000 pascals, which is a lot for a mop vacuum. I got over an hour of cleaning in quiet mode and about 18 minutes in hot water mode, which was more than enough to clean my entire ground floor and pretty close to the stated times by Dreame. Charging took more than 4 hours though, so keep that in mind. On top of everything, you can install the Dreame app, and then you can control the H15 Pro heat, which is a nice bonus if you're into smart features, but definitely not essential for daily use. It lets you tweak, for example, settings like suction power, water temperature and drying time. It even shows real-time cleaning status, alerts, and lets you schedule self-cleaning. So if you're the type who likes to have full control over your gadgets, this gives you that flexibility. Again, not required, but if you're already using smart home tech, this fits right in. Now, to summarize, the pros are, for example, deep cleaning. It does it really well with some incredibly hot water. Actually cleans corners and edges, can lay flat and be app controlled, zero hair tangle, self-cleaning and smart drying. And on the other side, the cons list. First of all, battery life. The battery life in hot mode feels a bit short. It's also a bit heavy with 6.5 kilograms to carry upstairs. And lastly, as mentioned before, the app control is definitely cool but not essential and could even feel gimmicky. So, bottom line, I honestly didn't expect that a wet-dry vacuum would impress me this much, especially after how happy I already was with the H15. But the Dreame H15 Pro Heat is a seriously smart cleaner, especially for busy households, pet owners or just messy kitchens. If you want effortless, hygienic cleaning, this is the one to get. We'll continue to use this device basically for the first floor and second floor and some additional cleaning here on the ground floor. But they can definitely coexist together. And if you want to know more about the X50 or the X50 that I've tested and I'm still super happy with, click on the video over here. I've put it on the screen so you can check it out right now because we've reached the end of this video. So if you enjoyed it, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So I see you in the next one.